Hello everybody, GL1 here. Welcome to the Premier Online Toy Museum, and today I'm going to show you a couple of the Winx Club fairy dolls. I don't watch the show, have nothing to say about it, and don't really care about it. But we're going to talk about the toys. So I opened up Aisha first, and this is the Fairy of Waves, and I assume that means water waves. So initially, my impression of the doll is I love the braids, and then the braids themselves are braided, which is cool. $18 doll, which is not cheap, especially being that it doesn't have elbows that bend, but it does have lateral motion in the shoulders, which actually have a bit of a ratcheting effect. And you have, some knees that bend, which also have a little ratcheting. And I like the sparkles, it has some sparkles all over the boots. The clothes are cool. Does not come with this stand. I just have a whole bunch of these. One of the cool things about the fairy is that it has gears in the wing. So when you move one, the other one flutters. So if you're playing with it like that, or maybe you're just kind of bouncing it around, the wings move together. So, okay, that's something. But like many toys, a joint maybe doesn't work right. And this one, okay, so I can bend this one, but this one, there's a lot of resistance in it. And the leg rotates this way as well, but there's just very tight in this joint. So we're going to do what I always do, and that is we're going to put this in some boiling water and see if we can get it moving. But I also have Bloom, so I'm going to open up Bloom, and we're going to see if Bloom has the same problem. And Bloom is the fairy of the Dragon Flame, whatever the Dragon Flame is. All right, so she looks, fiery, so that makes sense, and her wings and everything. So let's open that up and see if her leg works all right. So the first step accomplished, removing all those nylon staples. And then in the back here, we have to liberate her hair. And you can see she has some braiding as well, which is pretty cool. So let's see. I always had a hard time with these things. Sometimes they just luck out and they come off really well. So let's see. Yeah, so you just pull that apart like that. And it's just there to help hold the hair in place in the package. Yeah, that worked really well. So there we have kind of a gorgon of braids there, snaky braids, and there she is. And so, all right, knee works really easily, and that one was tight too, but it did give way. All right, and there's no twisting in the waist, there's no torso joint. Head just moves back and forth, does not go up and down, but you do have the wings that have the gear. And I'll take a look at that like that. Okay. And the wings do come off, actually. So you can take them off like that, and they have this little, specialized piece that it goes in on an angle. And let's see if they're swappable. So that's what it looks like on the back of the doll. Okay, look at Aisha's. And that comes off. All right, so it looks like it's the same. So if we wanted to swap wings, maybe Bloom needs a vacation, and then she's got to watch over the fire there. All right, so you can swap the wings like that if you want. Okay. All right. So, all right. Well, her leg is working fine. Also, it looked like the legs were different in the package, the proportions. So let's see if that's true. Yeah, you know what? It is true. All right. If you're going to look really subtly, okay, take a look at how her leg swoops out. Okay, so her quadricep muscle swoops out to the side more. Hers is more straight up and down. So it's not just the same mold. All right, so the legs are about the same length. And the arms are the same. Looks like the torsos are just the same. It's just a matter of color. And the face shape is also different. So you can see hers is more rounded. So that's cool. So let's see, maybe the calves are different. Let's take a look. how this comes off here. Does it come off? Not easily. You know what? We don't have to take it off. We can just fold it down like that. Okay, so yeah, so that's the same. So it's just the thighs are different. Okay, so we're going to put this in some boiling water and see if that can get it moving. Going to have to get that boot off, though. I don't want the hot water to take off any of the sparkles. They feel like they are kind of painted on, and that you could, if you took your fingernail, you could scratch them all off. All right, so I wasn't successful getting the boot off, so I'm just going to have to take my chances with the sparkles. I'm going to submerge the leg into the boiling water. And let's see if we can work that joint loose. Because what happens is if you do it without working it loose, yeah, there you go. But what can happen is the plastic will break. So a lot of times if you order also an action figure and it comes in the mail, it'll be cold from outside and the plastic is cold and brittle. So there, now we have it bending. And what will happen is the plastic it's still hot, so it's really soft, but it'll, cool down, harden up, and the joint will still work. I've done this a number of times and it always works great. So there you go there. All right, so there are the two Winx Fairies, and you can get the stands. You can order a bunch of them on Amazon for, I don't know, like 50 cents a piece. And here are some of the other fairies that are going to be coming out. I think right now the ones that I've seen are these four. So these two have not come out yet. I like this one. So I've seen pictures of it. I think that might be one I'll get in the future. And as I said, I have a lot of other fairies. I never realized, going through Monster High and Disney characters and even Masters of the Universe, I have a lot of characters that would qualify as fairies of some sort or another, having butterfly wings or something like that. And we'll be comparing all of them together because there's actually quite a lot of variation in some of the features that you get on these dolls, and you can kind of see, what you're getting for the money, or, how similar they can be as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.